Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome to today's video. In today's video, it is a massive shoe haul. Now, the last time that I filmed one of these videos was in August, and I was sitting here trying to figure out what my next video should be, and I was like, well, let me see how many shoes I bought. And I was thinking, about 5 pairs. No, more than double that. And I was like, what? Like, I feel like I just blacked out when I was accumulating all of these shoes the last few months, and like 4 of them were just in the last month. And I was like, this is crazy. So I thought I would do another shoe haul because they're fun. And now I am filming this in my new shoe room, which I am in love with. And I have all of my new shoes, which you cannot see, on the ground because I need to like insert more shelves on this so I can display them. So yeah, I will link all of the shoes I'm talking about in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So these are in no particular order, but I am starting with my favorite. These are like my prized possession. Oh my gosh. These are the Betsey Johnson boots, and they are amazing. I mean, look at this, like full on rhinestone boots. Like if I was a singer, I would wear these during every single show. I feel like a rock star when I wear these, and I feel like that is so important to feel good in your clothes or in your shoes, whatever you're wearing. Like, these are so cool. If like God remembers that he forgot to give me a good voice, and all of a sudden I wake up with an amazing voice, and then I'm like this performer, I would rise. I would know how to like greet my audience. I'd like rise from underground, like on the stage is just rise, and like people just chant my name, and then these are the boots I'd be wearing. Like, so amazing. Anyways, these are $150. I got them 20% off, so I believe I got them for like $130. But when I first saw these, I thought they were so extra, and I was like, I'll just wait till they go on clearance. And then they sold out, and I was like, I need them now. Then they came back in stock, and I snagged them right away. They do have similar ones, so I will link these as well. I think they're a little bit shorter of a heel, even though these are super comfortable to walk in. I wore these for my 30th birthday a few months ago, and I felt like a rock star. And we went dancing to the same place we went dancing on my 21st birthday. So I'm sure you can visualize how classy this bar was, you know? Dirty, sticky floors, drunk people who stepped on my shoe. And I was like, someone stepped on my shoe, we need to go. I was like, came home, I scrubbed the bottom of them, like before I put them back on my shelf. Yeah, I'm crazy. And then so I looked, and like my friend was like, I can fix the rhinestone for you. I'm like, it's okay. Like literally I'm the only one who can notice it. Like if anyone else was looking at the shoe, they wouldn't be able to notice it. But they're so pretty, and they have this like turquoise bottom. So pretty. Like clearly I'm obsessed with these. And I got these in a 7.5. Love them. So my next pair of shoes are these black wedge sneakers that I picked up from Macy's on clearance, okay? I'm a bargain shopper. Like, I like to get the good deals. So they are these black wedge sneakers with gold zipper detail with Velcro on the side, 2 Velcro straps, and then this main zipper to get into the shoe. Now, I love that you can dress these up or down. The brand is Thalia, I think. I'm not quite sure. I will, once again, I'll link it down below. But I am an 8 in these. I could probably wear it in a 7.5, but they had the 8 in the store, and I was like, I want them now. And my boyfriend was like, don't you have black wedge sneakers? And I'm like, yeah, but these are different. These have like gold detail on them, which I love. You can dress them up. And I mean, I love a good wedge sneaker. So I thought these were perfect, and the fact that they're on clearance, I was like, I really need them. All right, so the next pair of boots are these from Target, these brown combat boots with like the fur sole. I was wanting these for so long during the winter, and I finally picked these up, and they were on sale. I got them for like $27, so I'll link them. I'm not sure if Target still has them, but I want to include them in the video, so hopefully they do. If not, I'll try to like research and find some similar ones, but they're so cute. The fact that like the tongue is like this like furry material, I love it. And they're so cute because I don't have a lot of brown shoes. Mainly like all my shoes are black, so I wanted to get something different. And the fact that they were only $27, I mean, I think they were originally like around $40, but I waited for them to go on sale, and I just thought these were a perfect boot for fall, winter, whatever, and they're very affordable. And then the next pair of shoes I have are also from Target. I have not worn these yet. I still have the tags on them. I will tell you why on my next pair of shoes. But I wear a 7 in these. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the other ones, the brown. I think it's a 7.5. These are originally $45, and I think I got them for $30. Target was having some like huge boot sale, so I picked them up because I really wanted a cute pair of black snow boots, and I thought these were perfect. They look just like the Sorel boots that are $200, except for way cheaper. So, but I still haven't worn them, but they're very cute. All right, and the next pair of boots are my Sorel Joan Explorer boots. Now for the snow, these are $200, but like we got a really good deal on them. My boyfriend got me these for Christmas, and so that is why I haven't worn the Target snow boots yet, but I still wanted to keep them in case I didn't want to get these ruined. I would have a pair to just kind of like mess around with, and yeah. These are a size 8.5, which my other Sorel boots I am also an 8.5. So I'm literally all over the place in sizes. It really depends on the shoe. Like, it's so hard to order shoes online. But these are so cute. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I wear these a lot. We just got back from Colorado, and so I finally actually got to break them in because I live near Yosemite, and we went up there and there was like no snow, and I was like, this is ridiculous. And then finally went to Colorado and I could properly break in these snow boots, and they kept my feet very warm, and they were so cute for photos. All right, so my next 3 pair of shoes are the same, but in different colors because I'm obsessed. My Adidas Swift shoes. These are my favorite gym shoes in the entire world. They are so light, so comfortable, and affordable. These literally, like, the full retail price is $85. Have I ever paid $85 for any of these shoes? No. So the first ones are these Adidas Swift shoes, just original classic black and white, and then I got these for like $60. You can always find them on sale, but they are so cute, and when you like wear them for like errands, they are like super cute and they make your outfit look more put together. But I wore these all around Disneyland, like the first time I wore them. So comfortable, it literally felt like I was walking on air. And then I got these. These were off the Adidas website for $43. Now, I do know that these are sold out, but my dad bought me these for Christmas. I mean, I bought them and then he paid me back because I was like, they're gonna sell out. And he's like, okay, bye, I'll pay you back. And so literally $43 for the most comfortable pair of shoes I've ever owned. And I love wearing these to the gym. So cute. And then the other color is this baby pink color, which I thought was perfect. And I found these at the Adidas outlet. I got these for $45. Now, I know online they are still regular price, or like, I think I found them for $60. So I will link them below. Hopefully they're still on sale. But I mean, they're so cute and perfect for springtime. All right, guys, now next up are these Steve Madden sandals. I have had my eyes on these for so long now, and I found them at TJ Maxx for $25. I saw them a couple weeks ago and they were on sale for $50, and I was like, oh, I really want them, and I was like, I can't justify that. And then I literally walked into TJ Maxx in Utah on the way home from Colorado, found them for $25, and I was like, all right, done. So these are perfect for spring, summer, and I love the little spiky detail. Like, I have some other like Converse up there that have the spiky detail as well, as well as some heels over here. Like, these are so cute, and these, so normally like 7.5, 8. These I wear an 8.5. So if you get these, I would definitely size up. I know they have other colors. I will link them where I know you can find them. They are a little bit more, but I'm sure they'll always have more sales. But again, great find for the summer. Okay, so next up are these Rebel Footwear boots, and I love the multicolor snakeskin because all my other snakeskin boots are like the typical snakeskin, so I love the red and blue detail of these. They just make them different. I saw these at a boutique down in Costa Mesa a few weeks ago, and I didn't have my size, and I was like, no. Then I found them online, and then I waited for them to go on sale. I actually got these 40% off, so I'm telling you, I always shop with deals. Like, I find a good deal and I take advantage of it. So these are so cute. I think these go perfect all year round. I can rock these in the spring, the summer, fall, winter. I can make it work. And so I'm very excited. I actually just opened these up last night, or 2 nights ago. So very excited to finally start wearing these and that I finally have them in my size and that I found them on sale. So yeah, these are Rebel Footwear and I wear an 8 in these. It's a 38, which is also an 8, and they fit me perfectly. All right guys, so the next pair are, I just love some rhinestones. These INC rhinestone boots with this little fur detail around the ankle. These are beautiful. Now I first saw these because my hairstylist had them and I was like, where are your boots from? I need those. And I literally bought them a few weeks later when they did go on sale. I got them 40% off and now they are on clearance. I hope they still have them because I will link it down below. If not, I know there are some similar boots just like this. So I will link those. They also have these in black, and by the time they went on major clearance, I was like, they were out of my size, and I was very sad because I would have easily picked them up in black as well because these are so cute. They're edgy but cute, and I just love them. They're so comfortable. Now I'm trying to think of what size I am in these. Seven and a half, but they are amazing, cute for winter. I'm hoping I'm gonna see how long I can pull them off into the spring and summer because they are so cute and comfortable as well. But yeah, hopefully they still have them because they are on clearance right now. All right guys, we are finally down to the last pair. Now don't judge me. I did a poll on Instagram on yes or no. I feel like it was half and half. I mean, there's no place like home, right? These little gold stilettos. Now behind me I have the tan ones by the same brand, which I love. They are so comfortable, so cute. They are Valentino dupes, except for obviously a lot less cheaper. I think they're originally sell for $50, and I got these on some Black Friday special for I want to say $25. They're amazing. So they were perfect for holiday parties, any special events that you really want to dress up and just add something a little bit extra to your outfit. If your outfit may be black or a little bit dull, these definitely brighten up any outfit. Now I am a size 7.5 in these and I love them. I'm very glad that I did get them and I didn't listen to the people that said no, because I did receive a lot of compliments on them. So that is the end of the shoe haul. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my new shoes. I know I sure enjoyed talking about them. Let me know down in the comments which one your favorite shoe was. Until next time, bye.